Tired of crushing fruit by hand? Discover the Varomorus crusher. Unlock the secret to effortless fruit processing with this must-have tool for home winemakers, cider producers, and hobby farmers. The Varomorus Manual Soft Fruits and Vegetables Crusher is designed for crushing grapes, strawberries, and other soft fruits and vegetables. It's perfect for anyone passionate about home winemaking, cider production, or simply making fresh juices. This manual crusher promotes organic and healthy food preparation. It allows you to extract pulp efficiently without needing electricity. This crusher is built with high-quality materials for durability and rust-proof functionality. Its large 6.3-gallon hopper increases processing speed, accommodating more fruit at once. The manual operation eliminates the need for a power supply, offering mobility and convenience. The heavy-duty plastic gear ensures reliable crushing performance. The Varomorus crusher can handle various soft fruits and vegetables. This allows for a wide range of culinary possibilities. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to handle and store. The 4-inch rolls diameter enables efficient fruit crushing for larger outputs. This crusher is perfect for home winemaking, cider production, and fruit processing. It's an essential tool for both enthusiasts and professionals. The stainless steel hopper is easy to clean, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. You can find it on Amazon. Check out the Varomorus crusher on Amazon. Users rave about its sturdy construction and ease of assembly. One reviewer mentioned crushing hundreds of pounds of grapes in minutes. Another user highlighted its value and effectiveness for home winemaking. Many appreciate its Ukrainian origin, supporting a company during challenging times. If you're serious about home winemaking, cider production, or fruit processing, this crusher is a must-have. It offers high efficiency, durable construction, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this tool provides incredible value. It helps you prepare fresh fruit juices or create your own homemade wine efficiently. Don't wait any longer to simplify your fruit processing. Visit the Amazon listing to purchase your Varomorus Manual Soft Fruits and Vegetables Crusher today. Start enjoying the benefits of efficient and effortless fruit crushing now.